My name is Jacob Harris-Jones and my current role is team leader of Packer Inbound at our Bagington facility near Coventry. A typical day is all about supporting the team to ensure we meet our daily targets, so whether that means sorting any resource issues out or making sure my team has the tools they need to complete their daily tasks in a safe and efficient manner, and that's down to me. I'm also responsible for and really enjoy building our relationships with our customer, as a team leader role at Unipart is very customer centric. I work with a team of 11 people and my team's experience is very mixed. Some have been doing the job for 3 or 4 years, while others have only been here since the start of the year. So it's a great opportunity to blend the team together so everyone feels safe and secure in what they're doing, and also feels stretched and developed enough in their own roles. So from a personal perspective, I'd have to say it's the progression opportunities and the speed at which you can achieve what you want to get out of your own career. Unipart has helped me develop more skills and build more confidence as a person and as a professional, taking me from an apprentice to a manager who's completed a level 3 leadership and management MVQ. It's been exactly what I needed and exactly what I wanted as well.